HCMC investors, really important sign for HCMC, what we gonna do and where the prices will do actually in the coming days and weeks, because I see a big sign for movement for HCMC. We're gonna talk about it today. So before we go into the video, like and subscribe to my channel, daily video with HCMC with a lot of stocks. And sorry for another updating about HCMC, because as you know, I've been really getting a lot of requests from you guys. As you can see here, I did a poll about the video about the stock we should cover daily, and I got this percentage. And a lot of people comment here in comment section below, and they have another stock they want me to review. So if you have any stock you want me to review, please put it here, not in comment section. It's better to put it here so I can actually collect all the stocks and review them before I do another poll to see what who's the like 3 or 4 top stocks that we're gonna talk about this weekend. So use this opportunity to put your stock in this comment section and in our community section, so we could actually talk about, we do a deep dive for your stock, and we see where's the prices we should buy and sell, and if that stock is good to buy, and if there's a catalyst, if there is things. So we cover everything. So use this opportunity for to get a personal review for your favorite stock, and that's what I'm doing here to help my hunters to hunt like professional trader. So let's go and see HCMC without further ado. As I told you on my channel, no BS, no editing, straight to information, straight to the charts. So as I told you, there is a big chance now the HCMC doing big move. I can see as I told you before, we've been trading down, and when we cross this level at 0.00014, this is a big sign of weakness, as I told you. But the good thing that we didn't drop below our last drop that we did at the 2nd of March, when we dropped below the 0.0010, but we hold now, because before we touch the 0.0009, now we holding about 0.0010. This is a good thing to see. And the other thing, as I told you, we've been rejected so many times from exponential moving average, because as you can see here, we've been rejected really hard. This is the sign of the market maker did at the 11th of March. They test the higher prices, and as I told you, this is incentive of psychology, as you call it. A lot of people just have a sell limit order here to just go out from HCMC with less losses, because most of people just want short gain, and they never did do diligent. They just want short buying opportunity, and that's what happened to any stock. If you don't believe in them, or you see like a drop like this, or the court news never didn't come to play, that's why a lot of people know that will be long to see any gain for HCMC. That's why we saw a lot of selling pressure around our technical area below a bit our resistance at 0.0026. But now, as I told you, the important level that we've been rejecting a lot is the 21 AMA, because we touched it so many times, 3 times, 4 times here at the 7th of April. And now what I can see, we've been from the 13th of April, we've been trading closing above our exponential moving average, and this is a really good sign, guys, because before we never did this sign before. We almost rejected so many times from it. First, from the 23rd of February, when we traded below this exponential moving average, we never traded above from the 23rd of February. This is crazy. And now we closing above it, because before we never close above exponential moving average. Now this sign, we want to clarify this sign by the next week or today. We need a clear indication of picking up with volume, because now this is volume today I can see is worth almost 1 billion. So it's pick up a volume is we need at least 5 billion or 7 billion, because before we've been having 30 billion worth of volume for HCMC. So this is the norm for HCMC. For a pick up in momentum, we need at least 5 billion to go closer to our resistance level here. So now I can see we've been closing for 3 days from the 13th of April above this exponential moving average. And if we can see here at our SMI, we can see the volume is picking up in the momentum. We getting closer to zero, because we've been trading below the negative, guys, from the 26th of February. Now we're going to the positive side of SMI, and this is really good pick up in volume I can see, and this is really coiled up really nicely, and it's really nice to see this. When we see the price hit above the zero, this is will be positive. We see this price when we actually go to zero, above the zero. This is mean we're gonna go closer to the 13. So this is a big test for HCMC. The next week we're gonna see a pickup in volume and test for the 0.013. And if we don't get rejected here, and the price volume here kept in positive, not in negative, we don't drop below the zero, this is a good sign of changing momentum for HCMC, and I can see it to change the momentum from there, and we can see a big jump. But only, guys, only the first problem for us is to keep trading above our exponential average. We don't drop below it. And the second is the test for the 0.0014 with our SMI to go over the zero to the positive, and then push this resistance, and we go above, and we close above here, a candle above here, yes, above, and with our SMI actually picking up the momentum, and we stay above the zero. This is perfect scenario to see for HCMC for the coming days or the next week. Will be really perfect play, and we can see the changing of momentum, because we've been dropping since the 12th of February, almost over 2 months. This is crazy. So now hopefully we're gonna see the this playthrough for HCMC. So be ready for this massive move that I can see. Hopefully we don't go below the 0.0010, because we holding strong, and this is really nice to see for HCMC that we hold above this level, technical level, and we never go below it. And now we see a hold up above our exponential moving average. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with many stocks, so hit the notifications and never miss any my future updates. As I told you, be patient, and let's hunt for exact right price value like a smart money do and market maker do. So see you guys in the next video.